Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on Solana. I had to cover it. I mean, the market has been doing absolutely amazing. And then we are taking a look at Solana and we're saying, all right, well, Solana is not even at the highest levels since the 11th of June. While if we compare that to Bitcoin at this point of time is trading a beautiful 7% higher, which for Bitcoin is billions and billions of a higher market cap. So kind of wanted to do an update here on what's going on. Why is Solana not rallying higher? Is it perhaps lagging? Are we going to get a bigger rally a little bit later than the markets? Because of course Ethereum has been rallying very, very hard as well. That's what we'll talk about. In general, this was a little unexpected. I mean, the last video I did on Solana was Wednesday. And Wednesday, if you remember correctly, I did see some bullish momentum. And I did say, I think it's most likely we're going to rally into that value area high right here between 158 and 160. So that part of the move I predicted. However, I also said, I don't think we're going to break out there. All right, I think from there we're going to reject. And I was wrong about that. I mean, honestly, I did not expect Bitcoin to get a sustained breakout, which at this point of time, and that is very relevant for Solana as well, of course, because Solana at this point of time is still correlated to Bitcoin for about 73%. It's quite high. But therefore Solana also broke out. And it is true that Solana right now is less strong than the market, right? I mean, if you compare Solana right here to XRP, it's actually trading a bit lower. If you compare to Sui, it's trading at the same levels, but Sui had a major hack, or at least an application on Sui had a major hack. And Dogecoin is also trading a bit lower. So Solana is doing fairly well in terms of other majors, but still, I mean, Solana is the number 3 crypto behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's severely outperforming or underperforming those. So what's going on? Now, first of all, I think there's a good chance that this is just lag, right? Because ultimately, fundamentally, Solana is still good, right? In TVL, index trading volumes, we have the pump.fun launch coming up very, very soon, which will probably also increase demand for Sol indirectly. And yes, I mean, I have spoken about the Solana ETF and where I think that could at least short term actually be relatively bearish, bit of a sell the news effect, bit of grayscale trust conversions leading to selling pressure when the ETF launches. So that is true, but at this point of time, look, that is true. However, the Solana ETF launch is not planned yet. So are we already going to get a sell the news effect now? No, that's in the future. And I also think it's unlikely that we're going to get a sell effect right now, or at least a sell effect, or at least selling pressure strong enough to push the prices down right now, that Solana cannot rally together with the other ones. And we have now gotten a bullish breakout right here above a very relevant level between 163 and 159. The last time we broke above that, it was a bull trap, but the circumstances were very, very different than right now. I would say at this point of time, it is a real breakout. There's a bit of a single print right here at 161.5. We have a naked point of control at 157.6, I think. So looking at those levels is very important, and we need to get a strong reaction at those levels. But given especially the technical location of Solana right now, in combination with the market fundamentals, in combination with the strength of that zone right there between 161 and 157, to make it nice and round, I would say it's most likely that we will see a continuation into 175, which is the yearly rolling VWAP, a very strong resistance level. From there, we'll talk about whether we can also break above that. But for now, I'd say that is the most the best level to keep an eye on. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know regarding Solana for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.